Researchers recently discovered evidence that suggests that there may have been an early universe besides our own. They think that they may have discovered proof that our world is merely the most recent in a long series of other universes that have existed for eons. Scientists were able to find evidence of the Big Bang only a few hundredths of a second after it occurred. The Big Bang's cause and its predecessor have eluded us for a long time, but that seems to have changed. So, are you a believer in the multiverse? Do you believe in the Big Bang? Welcome back to Science Theory. So, we've all heard about the Big Bang, right? Also, what if another speck of energy explodes again? We are superhumans, so that nothing will happen. Just kidding. If you don't want to explode, smash the subscribe, like, and bell icons. The cosmic microwave background, often known as relic radiation, is the first electromagnetic radiation to penetrate the early phases of the universe and is where Penrose's ideas got its start. The most significant source of information regarding the thermal, radioactive state of the early universe is the CMB, which is present throughout the entire cosmos. The formation of the first atoms, also known as recombination, is thought to have occurred 375,000 years after the Big Bang, and this is when the CMB began to exist. Although it may seem like a long period of time, it is actually quite brief in the context of the observable world and provides the most accurate representation of the early universe's conditions. Radio telescopes are used to observe the CMB, which shows a weak glow in the area between galaxies and stars that are unrelated to any other cosmic phenomenon. Because the CMB is essentially a picture of the early cosmos, when temperature had fallen low enough for protons and electrons to create hydrogen atoms, Penrose was able to extract his data from it. Penrose collaborated with 3 other writers on the investigation of the cosmic microwave background data: Krzysztof Antoni Meissner, Danilan, and Paweł Narowski, who revealed that they had discovered anomalous locations that added to our understanding of cosmology. They proposed that these anomalies might be traces of signals of energy left over from the supermassive black holes vanishing in early cosmos. They explained that these facts in terms of evaporating supermassive black holes, since they are the only objects in the universe that can endure and produce energy density strong enough to be comparable to the Big Bang. Since supermassive black holes were the only objects strong enough to produce such ripples of gravitational waves in the early stages of our own universe to support his theories, Penrose hypothesized that his study of the CMB provides preliminary evidence of the collision of supermassive black holes in an early universe. Although most of it is based on existing theories of theoretical physics, Penrose studied the applications of the second law of thermodynamics to the end of the universe. Stephen Hawking's descriptions of black hole populations claim that information is lost as soon as matter or energy enters one, which Penrose disagrees. Scientists other than Penrose disagree with the idea that black holes are merely cosmic voids that absorb energy from the universe. They believe that black holes actually spit energy into photons that exist outside of space and time. In Penrose's view, these photons, which exist outside of space and time, could serve as the building blocks of a future cosmos that would result from the Big Bang. According to Penrose, in a cold extended universe, all matter in the observable world disintegrates into photon energy over an unimaginably long period of time, possibly trillions of years. He claims that the time from the Big Bang to the universe's infinite expansion is known as an eon. The previous eon's infinite expansion and oblivion serve as the foundation for the Big Bang state of the following eon cycle. Don't worry, whatever universe may come and go, ours has Batman, Superman, etc. They've come to your aid. If you guys want to see them, click the subscribe, like, and bell icons. Are you thrilled? They will surely appear in your dreams. Space and time are unimportant at this crucial period between the end of one eon and the beginning of another, making the beginning of the new eon appear quite small in comparison to its viewers. He thinks he has discovered analogous singularities that might be present at the event of horizon of black holes. Therefore, the singularity thought to have existed at the Big Bang is not as mysterious as it once was. He claims that the circles seen in the CMB are very redshifted photons that are leaking into our current universe from black holes in the preceding one. These circle streets on the CMB may not appear to be insignificant to the untrained eye. Still, to a physicist who holds low energy from a previous universe, he believes that cosmic energy swallowed up in black holes in a previous universe can be attached to the future Big Bang of the next eon, after an unimaginable period of cosmic expansion. In addition to supporting his hypothesis of an earlier existence, Penrose's theory that the universe would end in an unending explosion also directly contradicts the Big Crunch, one of the most widely accepted hypotheses about how the universe will end. Before today, cosmologists claimed that the cosmos was still expanding, indicating that it was in the middle of its existence. They thought as the cosmos grew older, the gravitational pull of matter would eventually decrease the rate of expansion and start to bring everything together. According to the Big Crunch theory, the eventual demise of the universe was destined to result from the gravitational pull that every piece of stuff in the universe will eventually exert. This would eventually result in a contraction, which would ultimately result in the cosmic scale collapse of the universe. This crunch would produce a new Big Bang because it would be extremely hot and dense. The results demonstrate that faraway stars and galaxies are moving away from Earth-based observatories faster and faster over time. What do you think about this? Do you believe this or not? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more content. Check out our channel for more interesting videos like this.